Alright, so we're going to get into the befores, and here you can see there's lots of built up grime. We're going to use our dry ice cleaning process. That way we can safely remove this, as well as much more effective than doing a traditional engine bay detail. So a few things that we wanted to talk about is when you would use dry ice application. As you can see, he's going through cleaning multiple different surfaces, anything from plastics, metals, some of the rubber pieces and trim. You can also see some electrical components in here. That is one of the great benefits to dry ice, is we're able to tackle all these delicate areas that have, built up some of the dirt and grime over time. A lot of times this embeds into the surfaces to a point where using a traditional cleaning process such as a degreaser or an all-purpose cleaner and using a pressure washer is going to be very challenging to get the cleaning result that we're looking for. Also, not to mention, anytime you introduce water or liquids, it's going to pose a potential threat to the electrical components. A few more points that we wanted to talk about. The benefits of dry ice are they're non-abrasive. Whenever we are using the cleaning process on like a delicate area, say you had an older vehicle and there is a really delicate tag or sticker that you want to keep but it needs to be cleaned, you can do that very carefully, compared to like a toxic degreaser or something like that is going to probably damage that sticker. Older vehicles are usually the type of car that we're using our dry ice application with. A lot of the surfaces that I just talked about are oftentimes very brittle and they can break pretty easily. What we can do with our dry ice application is change the pressure and the volume of how much we're using. That way we can get the cleaning effect that we're looking for without having to worry about damaging any of those components. So we're thrilled with the results that we got on this project. As you can see, a lot of the really hard to reach areas are cleaned very thoroughly, and that's one of the massive benefits that we also get from using our dry ice cleaning process, is we can get pretty deep into the engine bay or wheel wells or really anywhere with the different types of tips and ends that we have.